1/3 of humans carry a parasite that alters behavior in other species. It was never designed for humans. Most will never realize it is there. The question is, what happens when a system meets a host it was not built for? In its natural host, the mechanism is well defined. Once inside the body, the parasite does not remain in the bloodstream. It forms persistent cysts inside neural tissue. It does not damage cells. It alters how signals are processed. This results in measurable changes in behavior. Behavior that can be observed in ordinary environments. In a quiet garden, somewhere under big trees, bees move between flowers. Insects hum in the background. Nothing draws attention. On a tree trunk, a mouse is eating. An observer would not notice anything wrong, but something is. The infection occurs through contaminated food. The mouse is infected with Toxoplasma gondii, one of the most common parasites on Earth. The infection does not produce visible symptoms. It produces functional changes. The mechanism described earlier is now active. Behavioral responses of the mouse change. What once triggered avoidance now triggers attraction. The mouse does not escape the predator anymore. It moves toward it. Why is this necessary? For the parasite, the mouse is only the carrier. The parasite cannot reproduce inside it, only inside cats. The entire behavioral change exists for a single purpose: to ensure the mouse gets eaten by the cat. Inside the cat, the parasite reproduces and is released into the environment. Toxoplasma gondii is not only restricted to rodents and cats. Almost all warm-blooded animals are compatible, including humans. So what happens when this system meets a human host? Toxoplasma gondii was not designed for humans, but they are accidental intermediate hosts. The infection does not depend on direct contact with animals. It spreads through contaminated food, through water, and through soil, among other environmental pathways. If fear can be altered in animals, what is the meaning for humans? The data is complex. Studies show statistical associations with personality changes, increased risk-taking, and certain mental disorders. There is no clear evidence that humans behave like infected rodents. No direct causal proof of targeted behavioral control. The mechanism exists. The brain can be influenced. No visible structural change, only subtle chemical shifts. The parasite does not need to control humans. It only needs to be compatible. Compatibility increases system persistence. This system exists in nature. It appears unkind, but it is precise. It was never designed for humans, yet we still fit into its environment.